Let's be honest. You're probably hiring full-stack engineers all wrong. Your job posts read like a laundry list of every tech ever invented. You're hunting for a mythical unicorn who has mastered them all. That wastes time and repels practical developers. It signals you don't understand the role or the market. If you're tired of vague job posts and interviews that go nowhere, this guide is for you. I'll walk you through a pragmatic step-by-step process to hire a great full-stack engineer. You'll learn how to define the role, assess candidates fairly, and close the right hire. Plus insider tips specific to full-stack hiring in 2025. First, let's clarify what a full-stack engineer actually contributes. Think of them as the general contractor for your software project. Hiring the wrong person creates technical debt and friction. The right hire is a force multiplier, shipping features faster and bridging teams. Before we dive in, pull up your current full-stack job description. Is it a realistic reflection of day-to-day work, or a copy-pasted tech laundry list? If it's the latter, we start by fixing that. A full-stack engineer is fundamentally a problem solver who works across layers of the stack. They understand front-end, back-end, databases, and cloud, enough to connect the dots. Front-end, proficiency with modern frameworks, React or Vue. Back-end, comfortable in Node, Python, or Go and building REST GraphQL APIs. Databases, SQL, Postgres, and NoSQL Mongo fundamentals. DevOps basics, cloud experience, AWS/Azure/GCP, CI/CD, and Docker. Nice to have AI/ML integrations, serverless experience, PWA and WebAssembly familiarity are strong pluses, signals the candidate stays current. You're hiring aptitude, the ability to pick up new tech quickly, more than encyclopedic knowledge. Look for commit history, stack migrations, and project ownership in their portfolio. A strong full-stack dev ships features, fixes cross-team blockers, and reduces friction. Must-haves, modern front-end, back-end APIs, databases, cloud, and CI/CD. Nice-to-haves, AI, serverless, PWA. Next, how to reliably assess these skills without bias. Use structured scorecards and practical tasks that mirror your real work, not abstract puzzles. Give a small, self-contained project that mirrors a real task, API plus basic front-end. Example, build one endpoint that returns mocked data and a tiny UI that displays it. Score each submission for correctness, code quality, testing, architecture, and commit history. In interviews, use a systems question to assess higher-level thinking. Ask, design a basic URL shortening service, how would you approach it? Weak answer, jumps immediately to tech choices without clarifying requirements. Strong answer, asks about traffic, expiration, analytics, then outlines trade-offs and API flow. Test communication. Can they explain technical trade-offs to a non-technical PM? Test adaptability. Have they learned new stacks or taught themselves tools for a problem? Test problem solving. Do they break problems into steps and prioritize user impact? Test leadership. Do they take ownership and suggest improvements proactively? Ask, a PM wants a major feature 1 week before launch, how do you respond? Weak, I tell them it's a bad idea. Strong, first, clarify the goal, explain technical risks, propose an MVP or phased rollout. Ask, you deploy and see a critical bug affecting 10% users. Your first 3 steps. Model answer, roll back to stop damage, replicate in staging, communicate status, and next steps. This shows calm prioritization, technical judgment, and communication, the traits you want. Where to find full-stack engineers? Job boards help, but top sources are referrals and targeted communities. Number 1, employee referrals. Engineers know engineers. Number 2, developer platforms like GitHub and Stack Overflow. Look for signal and contributions. Also engage niche Slack Discord communities. Don't just post jobs, contribute to the conversation. Use structured interview scorecards, standardized take-homes, and blind grading where practical. Leverage ATS features to ensure consistent rubrics and audit trails for compliance. Document criteria, code quality, tests, communication, system thinking, and culture alignment. Use compliant phrasing when probing motivation and culture. Avoid personal or protected class questions. Compliant. Describe a work environment where you're most productive. Illegal. Avoid. Are you planning to have kids? Structure like this score consistently and you reduce bias and legal risk. Pitfalls. Over-indexing on pedigree, rushing, or endless deliberation. Move decisively. Aim to go from first interview to offer in under 2 weeks. Action steps. 1. Revamp the JD to focus on outcomes. 2. Add a realistic take-home. 3. Use a scorecard. Do that and you'll hire someone who ships, adapts, and lifts the whole team. If you hire now, visit peopleteam.com/hiring. Subscribe for more hiring guides.